of getting to know Mr. Jeff Hardy, Manager of Global Service Provider Solutions at Acronis. He's a seasoned
Hey,
leader
guys.
in technology and marketing with diverse experience across, is it EF Data Corporation, Honeywell,
Oh,
ClearChoice,
jeez.
Smarter Tools, Manage.com. I mean, this guy's been everywhere.
I've been everywhere. I've done everything. And real quick, your special guest at the end, a special event, we're going to have a booth there. So if you're going to his event, make sure you stop by the Acronis booth.
There you go. All right, Steve, or Jeff, excuse me. The floor is yours.
Great. Let me tell you this. All right, so I have a little bit of a different message for you guys today. All right, so my message starts out with don't be this guy. All right, what does it mean? If you're trying to build your business, it can be a frustrating experience. If you're trying to layer security offerings, it can be a terribly frustrating experience, but it doesn't have to be. My message is build your MSP business on security and love every minute of it. Okay, maybe you're not going to love every single minute of it, but you get the idea. I am Jeff Hardy. I'm the manager of Global Service Provider Solutions for Acronis. So let me start you off with a quote. Seth Godin, he's kind of famous in IT circles. There is no shortage of remarkable ideas. What's missing is the will to execute them. So I want to introduce you to one remarkable idea for MSPs, and that is everyone needs security. You just heard Enable talking about it. I believe this too. Everybody needs security. Everybody, literally everybody. Why does everybody need security? First, every technology everywhere. Doesn't matter the platform on your Windows, Linux, Oracle. Doesn't matter what tech stack you have. Doesn't matter where your clients are located or where you're located. Doesn't matter what industry segment you're in. Everybody needs security. The next thing is cyber threats are a continuum. The cyber criminals are continuously, maliciously innovating. We're innovating on the good guy side. They're innovating on the bad guy side. So the number and kinds of devices also that you're protecting and your clients are using, they proliferate. They're going off more and more every single day. And there's new malware variants every single day. It's a continuum. It never stops. So what does that mean? That means that security is strongly resistant to commoditization. Devices come and go. They become obsolete. Hardware can become easily commoditized. Software alone, just selling software licenses, as good a business as that can be, it's lower margin, and it doesn't differentiate you. Security doesn't have time to be commodity. In addition, you've heard this before, security requirements and regulations and compliance from NIST 2 here in NAM that just coming out to the NIS2 in the EU, to the Australia's Essential 8, Singapore Cybersecurity Act, even the new renewals your clients are getting from their cyber insurance, they all are aligned with cybersecurity being a core. It goes on and on and on. All right. So what does all that mean? That means that if you can build your business on security, your market, your total addressable market is literally every single business everywhere. There's almost no other type of business that you can get into that has a universal addressable market. So that makes security the best business to be in tech. MSPs, in my opinion, can and should build their businesses on security. But at the very least, understand your clients are going to expect and assume that security is already included. So not only do you have all those needs and wants, but you have that expectation from your customers as well. Now, second quote I want you to think about. In a busy marketplace, this is also from Seth Godin, in a busy marketplace, not standing out is the same thing as being invisible. That's a powerful quote. So how do you stand out? Well, you don't just position yourself as a provider of products and services. You become more. You become a partner in security. You actually craft your offerings that with a partnership mentality. I'm going to give you two quick examples of how you can do that. Right. The first, I'm going to use a Microsoft example. Now, Acronis is a top 5 provider of Azure backup solution, and it's been independently, analysts have said we're a top 5 provider of M365 backup solutions, all that stuff too. But let me show you how you layer these things on top of it. The first is maybe your clients already have M365 licenses. If not, you resell the license. But license sales alone are commoditized. They got low margins. They got no differentiation, and it's customers easily churn. Microsoft actually wants you to take and build services on top of it. So you build your packages on the M365 stack. You add higher margin services. You add advanced email security on top of it. Then maybe you add advanced collaboration security for Teams and for OneDrive. Then you protect the entire device with advanced security with EDR, MDR, XDR. You just keep stacking that up, and you build offers that let customers self-select the layer of protection that they want. And again, the more products you have them buy, the more loyalty, the more margin, more top-line revenue, and lower risk of churn. Same thing if you started your business in the device and refresh and support services, right? You start with that. But on top of that, every single device, the first layer is backup. And like we say at Acronis, we have integrated native backup in all of our security solutions. It's how we got our start. Then you protect the device with advanced security plus EDR, MDR, XDR. Then you can, if they're data sensitive, you can add DLP, data loss prevention, on top of it. Step by step, layer by layer, you help your clients by helping them grow their security protection while growing your business on top of it. Now, I know what you're thinking. If I do all that, I'm going to have a dozen apps and a dozen agents and a bunch of consoles, and my team's going to be caught up in training and doing updates forever. That's not true. By building security services, you do not have to make your life more complicated. You can still be this happy guy, right? So what does it mean to be a happy guy? You build your security offers that build. We just showed you 2 examples of that. There's many more. You consolidate and standardize solutions. You automate as much as you can, and then you repeat. Let me show you what that looks like in a Acronis perspective. Again, natively integrated, highly efficient security built for MSPs. The entire wing is covered from ease of use, single agent, single console, single policy. The angel just got his wings. I heard a ring. Operational efficiency. You get to mass manage it in multi-tenant environments, a true multi-tenant native solution, and you get to have an integration platform. Heck, we're integrated with a lot of people who are giving presentations on this call with me today. But any solution that you have, we're probably already integrated on it. And if not, we'll be happy to help you out with that. So simply stated, security is the best way to consistently build your MSP business. Acronis can help you execute on that one remarkable idea. You don't have to be this guy. And you know what that means? You can start by talking to this guy. This is Stephen Nichols. We have this virtual breakout room. Stephen is a smart guy. Been in this business longer than I have, and he's your wingman for MSP success. So go to the virtual breakout room, talk to Stephen. He's going to help you out. And guys, I think that's it for me.